Hey there, fellow digital enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for optimizing your online presence. Today, we're tackling something super important: how to add social media to your Google My Business profile in 2025. With Google's updates making it easier than ever to connect your social channels, this step can skyrocket your visibility and help you engage with customers more effectively. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have a Google My Business account set up. If you don't, head over to the Google My Business website and create one. It's free and straightforward. Once you're logged in, navigate to your business profile dashboard. This is your command center for all things Google related to your brand. Now, in 2025, Google has streamlined the process with a new Social Connections tab. Look for it on the left-hand menu. It's usually right under Profile Info. Click on that, and you'll see options to link popular platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and even TikTok. Simply select the social media you want to add. Don't worry, it's secure and only takes a minute. Next, enter your social media handles or URLs accurately. Google will prompt you to verify these links, which might involve a quick authentication step from the social platform itself. This ensures everything is legit and helps prevent any fake connections. Pro tip: use consistent branding across all your profiles for a seamless experience. After verification, save your changes, and voila! Your social media links will now appear on your Google My Business listing. Customers can click through directly, boosting traffic to your other channels. Remember, keeping your profiles updated is key to maintaining trust and engagement. Wrapping this up, adding social media to Google My Business in 2025 is a game changer for small businesses and entrepreneurs alike. It helps you build a stronger online ecosystem and reach more people. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.